This is a look at the emblem and uniform of the different ranks inside the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There are 11 ranks in the JCF. These are the ranks and emblems in order from the lowest to the highest rank. District constables and constables have no emblem. Corporal, 2 chevrons on the right sleeve. Sergeant, 3 chevrons on the right sleeve. Inspector, 2 metal bars on each shoulder strap. Assistant Superintendent, 2 stars on each shoulder strap. Deputy Superintendent, 3 stars on each shoulder strap. Superintendent, 1 crown on each shoulder strap. Senior Superintendent, 1 crown and 1 star on each shoulder strap. Assistant Commissioner, 1 laurel wreath on each shoulder strap. Deputy Commissioner, 1 laurel wreath and 2 stars on each shoulder strap. And Commissioner, 1 laurel wreath and 1 crown on each shoulder strap. Now, for the uniforms of JCF members. District constables are dressed in a light blue top along with a dark blue pants or skirt. The following is the dress code for constables through to sergeants. Black or blue serge trousers with red stripes down each seam. This is worn with either a white or blue striped short sleeve shirt. The hat is a black peak cap with a red band. This is the dress code for inspector through to the commissioner. Light khaki jacket, shirt and trousers with epaulets on the shoulders. A blue or black cap is worn with a black band and silver braiding on the peak. The hat for inspectors is a black peak cap with a red band. Of note, a white high-collared tunic is sometimes worn by all ranks on ceremonial occasions, with blue or black peak caps and trousers.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.